Now I like how all you does, you know, give me a heads up on what videos to react to, but y'all, I've been uploading late because, you know, I'm in college and I have a daily job, but you know the videos will be uploading a little late, but I'll still get it done. I love all of you for, you know, giving me a heads up. Mwah.
Yeah, you be acting like you ain't sprung. I'ma give you what you want. I'ma pull up with that good. Pull up bougie in the hood. I'ma pull up with that good.
What's up, Neily gang? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And as you see by the title, y'all already know what's going on. I'm about to react to Rebel Rifle War. So without further ado, let me just get into the video now, man. Okay. Disclaimer.
KJ production. Sex. Burial time, KJ.
Hey, job time.
Deal with it. Simple bust big gun. Low place bust big guns. Nothing that's small, the links are tall. Whistle are fully head like napkin. Try running a rifle war. Simple no bust, no little hunting. Mac 90 light take care. All my dogs are murderers. Star rifle with no boat man. 6 gun full of machine like cuts and standard. This mob's a G-man, proceeded in the land.
All you hear that? 6 done full of machine like cuts and standards and standards, you know. If all you don't know that, if furniture places, all you combine them, 2 companies and how many machines they have combined. Huh? All you play mad.
Hey, 6 done, fully done. Fully head up, fly off, fully machine guns. French bust it in the face, bust the case one time. Say they know about 6, but they don't know about crime. Poppy 6, take a 3 point script. Don't a summer anything out of plastic. From it this bone, yeah, get very drastic. Broadway, fully 6, I know within the cellar, fully head like napkin. Try running a rifle war. St. Paul, no bus, no little hunting. Mac 90 light take care. All my dogs are murderers. Star rifle with no boat man. 6 damn full of machine like cuts and standard. This mob's a G-man, proceeded in the land. Wet man call it shot. Tell the dog time for a triple fig 1 3 body decompose, no raise, no lamb. No IG badness, no name at all. Sabadan 6 got the new pan clip. Customized for reach your head back quick. Toddle everybody faceless, just face it. Simple like the body's fully crazy. Fully head like napkin. Try running a rifle war. Simple no bus, no little hunting. Mac 90 light take care. All my dogs are murderers. Star rifle with no boat man. 6 gun full of machine like cuts and standard. This mob's a G-man, proceeded in the land. Sucker 6, J-man run Bumpton. Any other way that the can a malfunction. Come over Viceroy accent son. Pan for kill for the music aside. NHS everything fly. Which boss am I right for? Right to the drive from a disc line. Pussy must get blind. SLR fully head like napkin. Try running a rifle war. St. Paul no bus, no little hunting. Mac 90 light take care. All my dogs are murderers. Star rifle with no boat man. 6 gun full of machine like cuts and standard. This mob's a G-man, proceeded in the land. Hey, what them know about
6.
I saw we did it, KJ. Any other way I do it. You see me? Simple, right back to Broadway, yeah man. KJ production. So we kill them and listen to Psalm 91 dab. Ask Gully 6 and the whole of Johnson. Fly ahead. Big thing. Yeah man, KJ man. That's how we did, man. Headshot.
Dirt. If I dirt, then I dirt. All I hear what you say in the end of the song, kill them and listen to Psalm 91 and Just like he said in the other song, evil, evil. All of my dogs are my evil people. Y'all, I find Rebel, he real good. And a lot of people like how he does the high pitch in his songs, like how he does, you know, the kind of high pitch. Real people like that, like sex outside, tell the pussy them. And he should do more videos. I really want to see a video for Uncrum King though. That song tough. If y'all didn't hear that song yet, what you doing, boy? What you doing? Uncrum King? That song is a hit. He should do a video for that. And he should do like more videos. Cause all his songs and them tough. All of them, he talented and they are part of the six. If you not say six, no girl, now I browning, you know, air me the girl. Anyways, y'all, yeah, that's what my review is. I find you should do more videos, cause that's the only thing. The views there. He could sing, he could write. Like, just do more videos, Rebel. So this was my reaction to Rebel Rifle War. What do you think? All you think he should do more videos and thing? Because, you know, that's what people just want to see, you know. Not saying that his songs ain't good. All his songs good, you know. But just missing to do videos and thinking. And yeah, you're done no boss. Yo, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. And I'ma see y'all in another video.
I got that new drip, shooter pop out with the pool stick. Effing and Draco extended 30 and it's cent on my hip. 35,000 for the brand new rolling wrist. Bust out my wrist, I flex like WrestleMania. I just might go take that jet to Australia. Young Draco nigga.